Good job, baby. Put it back. Good job. Good job. Good job. That's how you clean up, Mama. Good job, Chloe. Wait, we're doing it. Let's put them all back. Put them back in the fridge. Put them back in the fridge. Good job. Good job. Good job. She's doing it. Wait, leave it in there, Mama. There's another one. Okay, so which one are we going to do? We're going to take them out or we're going to put them back? Good job. Almost. Okay. Chloe, come on. Good job. Good job. Good job. Uh-oh. Good job. That's right. Good job. Good job. You did it. Good job. Chloe did it. Uh-oh. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.